WSB.
It's 8:36.
And when Atlanta's morning news continues, traffic centers found a new crash and it's slowing down I-20 both directions in Douglas County. 5-day forecast is the awful heat going to continue into the weekend. And boy, new indications this morning going to do something new to make Southwest Airlines even higher class. It is 8:36 now.
Is your summer vacation going to be a week at the beach or a week in the backyard standing in the kiddie pool?
If you listen to 95.5 WSB, that week at the beach could be yours. It's $1,000 Thursdays on WSB.
Your chance to win $1,000 every hour between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. on Thursday.
Listen for the keyword. Enter the keyword at WSBradio.com or on the WSB app within that hour.
Get all the info at WSBradio.com.
$1,000 Thursdays beginning today.
95.5 WSB.
Where Atlanta wins.
Atlanta DIY landlords, listen up. If you're exhausted from managing your rental properties all by yourself, my friends at Renters Warehouse Atlanta offering a 90-day test drive. Hire Renters Warehouse to manage your rental
of Justice to work with the Department of Homeland Security to ensure that Abrego Garcia can make his court dates. Really, what she seems to be asking is that if they can work with DHS to keep him here long enough for him to stand trial. And prosecutors responded saying essentially it's out of their hands. They can't tell DHS what to do. Ultimately, whether he remains free once he's released isn't up to the judge. It's up to ICE.
So what happens now?
Sometime tomorrow or this weekend, the judge is expected to give the official order to release him. I spoke with a U.S. Marshal who said there's not going to be another hearing. Once that order comes down, he'll quietly be transferred to ICE custody away from the public eye. As for the conditions, Judge Holmes did outline some standard things like limiting his travel to Maryland, where his family lives, and here in Tennessee, where his trial is being held.
Mariana Bacallao of WPLN in Nashville. Thanks so much.
Thanks.
Later today, President Trump will host what the White House is calling the One Big Beautiful event. It's an effort to apply pressure to Senate Republicans to pass the massive bill containing what is essentially Trump's entire legislative agenda. But getting that bill over the finish line isn't the only challenge hanging over the president right now. Here's NPR senior White House correspondent Tamara Keith.
From Air Force One, somewhere over the Atlantic Ocean, President Trump put out a social media post, pivoting from the fragile ceasefire between Iran and Israel to domestic concerns. Now that we've made peace abroad, he wrote, we must finish the job here at home. He was talking about his big tax cuts and spending bill that is